good afternoon, or good evening, depending on which part of the world you're seeing my video from. You're welcome to Enuani Cultural Forum, where we promote the rich cultural heritage of the Igbo people. This morning we are looking at, because it's morning where I'm in Nigeria, this morning we are looking at this very interesting topic. You may think it's a deviation from what we have been doing, but it's not. Because for the past few days, I've been making series of posts celebrating our brothers and sister who won Grammy Awards at the 68th Grammy Awards held on the 1st of February 2026. So, when na-etinye post na social media, na-ekene fa na-ajafa mma maka asị na-eto dike na nke omekwa ọzọ. So we bido na-etinyesi all kinds of videos and posts wee na-ajafa mma ka ụwa wee mara ife a na-eme. I know the world already knows them, but at least let people who do not know them know. We may not have that enormous following, but the little we have, I decided to bring the attention of my followers and my subscribers to the knowledge of this particular group of people who are Igbo people in diaspora that are making us proud. For instance, these three that won Grammy Awards. So, in the course of that video, I lamented that the federal government of Nigeria has failed to acknowledge these people in any way at all. And it is very sad. I felt it was not an act that came out of sheer forgetfulness or ignorance. I felt it was deliberate. Because if it were one person, I would ignore. But not just one person. 1, 2, 3 persons won Grammy Awards and they were not congratulated. And then I flipped it and said, what if Davido had won on the night? Would he not have been congratulated on that same night? That was the question that I asked. And it raised a lot of controversy. People are arguing for, people are arguing against. And somebody raised a point that led me to make this video that I'm making now. Somebody said Davido is more popular than Tyler, than all those other creators that I mentioned who are from Igbo land, who have won Grammys. And I laughed. Now it is no longer that they are not Nigerians. It is that they are not as popular as Davido. So I decided to bring it up as a pool to source for materials, information from the net, to find out between Davido and Tyler Okomma who is more popular. I already did my findings, and the results that I got I'm going to share with you. So we are checking, not Tyler the female, because people used to confuse these things. The female Tyler, the young girl who won Grammy for the second time, is from South Africa. She is not Igbo. Her Tyler is Tyla. The Tyler Okomma that I refer to in my videos is Tyler, Gregory Okomma. Thank you so much from India. So, when I made references that if there were not Igbo people, the federal government of Nigeria would have immediately congratulated them without wasting time. I wasn't joking. I wasn't also trying to whip up sentiment. I have my facts. When Davido and when Wizkid and Burna Boy won their Grammy Awards in 2021, the federal government of Nigeria congratulated them. The Minister for Youth and Sports, I think Sunday Dare, congratulated them. The Minister for, I think, Midcom Boss, Nigerians in Diaspora Commission, Abike Dadirewa, congratulated them. The President congratulated them. The Minister for Information, Lai Mohammed, congratulated them. Now I'm referring to Davido and Burna Boy. On that same night, even telling the President to host them and confer a national honor on them. That was in 2021. Perhaps then it was President Muhammadu Buhari, and he was looking for every means to get a good image for his administration, his maladministration, I should say. After that time, Israel Adesanya, that UFC heavyweight fighter, won a fight. He was congratulated when he won that belt. What of Anthony Joshua? The same thing happened with him. He was congratulated on that same night. So I have records of these people who have been congratulated by the federal government. So it is not out of place when I say 3 Igbo people won Grammy Awards and the federal government of Nigeria looked elsewhere. And nobody acted as if they were Nigerians. Yes, they are Ndi Igbo, but at the moment, they identify as Nigerians and should be given equal treatment that is given to others. And then somebody started bringing up the idea that if it were Davido, they would have congratulated him because he is more popular. I laughed. That is a statement that stems from high level of ignorance. And I decided to do a research comparing the popularity of Davido to Tyler Okoma's popularity. And I have my research results here, which I'm going to read out. I'm not even comparing him to Chabuzi. I'm comparing him now to Tyler. Tyler has 3 Grammy Awards. 3. In 3 different categories because he's a multi-entrepreneur. He's an entertainer, he's a musical director, he's a visual director, he's a fashion designer, he's everything you can think of as long as entrepreneurship is concerned. So his awards have come from different categories. For instance, his last award came from the design of his album cover, Chromatopia. The design, the unique creativity he brought into the design of his album cover gave him a Grammy. It's a new category. He's the first person to win in that category. So we're looking at now a comparison of the popularity of Tyler Okoma and Nigeria's Afrobeats star, Davido, David Adeleke. So, before we proceed, I would like you to please, if this is your first time of coming across our video, go and hit the subscribe button. As you're watching this video as well, double tap on the video to give it a thumbs up. Share it to your audience and invite as many people as you can to come and stream this video if you're free. I'm going to take my own advice by sharing the video to my own social media handles. So please bear with me. When we come back, we'll proceed. Welcome back. This is Enuani Cultural Forum, and here we'll promote the rich cultural heritage of the Igbo people. Today we are looking at the popularity of Tyler Gregory Okoma, known as Tyler the Creator, when compared with the popularity of David Adeleke, popularly known as Davido. Now, a lot of people believe Tyler was not congratulated by the federal government because he is not popular in Nigeria, or he's not popular globally, and that Davido is more popular. If they had congratulated Davido, probably they will have more viewership or audience, I don't know. Or that Davido has more fans. He has a better fan base than Tyler, the Creator. So let's look at their popularities by statistics provided in the internet. Based on data, 2025 data, based on 2025 data, Tyler the Creator holds higher global popularity and critical acclaim, while Davido has immense concentrated popularity within Africa and among the global Afrobeat audience. Tyler the Creator was named Apple Music's Artist of the Year for 2025 with his Chromacopia album and world tour selling out arenas worldwide, and 2025 streams exceeding 5.6 billion. Davido, on the other hand, has ranked among the top African artists of 2025, frequently featuring on global impact lists and dominating the Afro-pop genre in Nigeria. Here is a breakdown of their comparative popularity as of the year 2025. Tyler, the Creator. Global status. Highly popular in the US, Europe, and internationally. He is recognized as a major pop star and cultural icon. 2025 success. He was named Apple Artists of the Year for 2025 with massive worldwide streaming numbers of 5.66 billion streams. And remember, 3 days ago, he picked up a Grammy, his third Grammy, for designing the album Chromacopia. Davido, on the other hand, regional and genre dominance. One of the biggest Afrobeat artists, holding major market share in Nigeria and dominating in Africa. Global impact, known worldwide, specifically within the Afrobeat scene, with major songs charting on global, non-US and Billboard lists. 2025 status, ranked as a top 10 artist globally by some charts and known for massive sold-out tours, particularly in Africa and in diaspora. So basically, we will have to use this information at our disposal to conclude. So in summary, if popularity is measured by worldwide streaming numbers, mainstream Western appeal, and critical acclaim, Tyler, the Creator, is generally more popular. If popularity is measured again by influence within the Afrobeat genre, African market dominance, and rapid viral hit making within that region, then Davido is more popular. So it's concluded, because we are not talking about popularity in your hometown. Both of them are Nigerians. But how global have they gone? The numbers speak there. 5.66 billion streams compared to 3 point something. In terms of their popularity, in terms of awards, this one has 3 Grammys alone. One this year. One of his top Grammy awards is for the hip-hop rap album of the year. Picked that up in 2020, 6 years ago. Rap album of the year in a genre that is dominated by people like Kendrick Lamar, Drake, Eminem. Give him his flowers, man. He also had a performance at the opening of this 2026 Grammy Awards. I saw Kendrick Lamar dedicating his award to him, saying my brother Tyler is here. So that's a genre you don't jump into, rap music, and to have the rap album of the year. So to compare the popularity of such a person with the popularity of somebody like Davido, maybe because of philanthropy, is what I don't understand at all. The numbers, the awards, the international acclaim, everything speaks for itself. I wasn't looking at popularity from the angle of how popular you are on the streets of Nigeria. Nigeria is just one country in Africa. Africa is just one continent in the world as well. We are talking about somebody who goes on a global tour and sells out stadiums in China. I don't know how many people will buy tickets to come and watch this guy in China or Australia, as the case may be. So when people tend to try to water down the success recorded by these guys because they feel that they are not as popular in Nigeria because they are not based here. Being an Igbo man, a Nigerian who is based in diaspora, does not reduce your Nigerianness at all. Does not in any way reduce your Igbo-ness. They are still in the Igbo. They are even more Igbo than some people who have grown up here, who have continued their lives here. There are people we have here whose names you cannot even tell its meaning. They don't bear the names that sound our culture. They don't speak our language. They don't do anything that project or promote them as Ndi Igbo. Here you have people who bear your names, who promote your culture, who identify as one of you. Give them their flowers. We're not asking for too much. And it's not going to add anything to them, I tell you. It will not add anything to Tyler If the federal government of Nigeria says, we hereby congratulate you on your Grammy win, it doesn't add anything to him. But we're just saying that Nebu Efiema Wefie. The right thing should be done. That is just all. So my aim of making this live video is to clarify this point and set it aside. You can also take out your time and read about it. Let me read this comment. Want to be my best friend, Okechukwu Okafo. Okay. Want to be my father, Okechukwu Okafo. Dad, love red pass. I don't understand. Okechukwu Okafo, I don't get you. So you can clarify what you're trying to say so that I can understand you. Alright, so it's so nice to have had this little time with you, exchange these ideas with you, and I'll look forward to seeing you in my subsequent videos, where I hope that as many people will be online to join us. Do have a very wonderful day. Thank you.